Exercise 2.3, it is based on remainder theorem. First question, page number 42. All of you open page number 42. So, first question, find the remainder when polynomial is given. I am writing the polynomial p of x equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by the following linear polynomials. First one, x plus 1. So, first x plus 1, make x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 1. So, we need to substitute minus 1 to get remainder. P of minus 1 equal to minus 1 whole cube plus 3 into minus 1 whole square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. Cube of minus 1 cube 1, square of minus plus 1 square 1 into 3 into minus 1 minus 3 plus 1. 3 cancel, 1 cancel, we are getting 0. So remainder equal to 0. Okay, if we divide with x plus 1, we are getting 0 as remainder. Second, x minus 1 by 2. So dividing with x minus 1 by 2, I will take this one is equal to 0 first. X minus 1 by 2 equal to 0 implies x equal to 1 by 2. Simply now we substitute x equal to 1 by 2. So p of 1 by 2 is the remainder. If we substitute 1 by 2 whole cube plus 3 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 cube 1, 2 cube 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8 plus 1 into 1 into this 3, 2 into 2, 4, 2 square 4 plus 3 into 1, 3 by 2 plus 1. So 8, 4, 2. I am taking LCM of the denominator. So all these are 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8. So 8 is the LCM. 8 by 8 1 plus 4 by 8 by 4 2 into 3 6, 8 by 2 4 into 3 12 plus 8 nothing means 1, 8 by 1 into 8. So if we are adding 8 plus 12 20 plus 6 26 plus 1 27 by 8. So 27 by 8 is the remainder when it is divided with x minus 1 by 2. Next, third one, x. Simply we are dividing with x. So if we are dividing with x, so make x equal to 0. So x equal to 0 means, so here x equal to minus 1 by 2, here x equal to 1 by 2, here x equal to 0. P of 0 equal to, replace x with 0, 0 cube plus 3 into 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 0 square, 0 into something 0. This is 0 plus 1. Overall 1. 1 is the remainder. Next, fourth. X plus pi. So make x plus pi equal to 0. X equal to minus pi. We need to substitute minus pi. So p of minus pi equal to, so substitute in this, minus pi whole cube plus 3 into minus pi whole square plus 3 into minus pi plus 1. So minus cube minus pi cube minus square plus 3 into pi square plus into minus 3 pi plus 1. So this is the fourth one. Next, fifth one, 5 plus 2x. 5 plus 2x. Make this 5 plus 2x is equal to 0. 5 plus 2x equal to 0. 2x equal to minus 5. 2x equal to minus 5. This 2 bringing outside, x equal to minus 5 by 2. Substitute minus 5 by 2. P of minus 5 by 2 equal to minus 5 by 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 whole square plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 plus 1. So cube of minus, minus into minus plus 5 cube, 5 into 5 into 5, 5 into 5 25 into 5 125 by 2 cube, 2 into 2 4 into 2 8. So 5 into 5 minus square first plus 5 into 5 25 into 3 75 by 2 into 2 4 plus into minus minus 3 into 5 15 by 2 plus 1. Denominator I am writing 1. So taking LCM 8 previously like this. So 8 4 2. So 8 by 8 1. 1 into 125 125. 8 by 4 2. 2 into 75 150. Next 8 by 2 4. 4 into 15 60 minus 60. 8 by 1 8. 8 into 1 8. So 125 plus 150. 150 minus 60 90. 125 plus 90 plus 8 98 by 8. So 8 plus 5 13. 1 plus 9 10 plus 12 22 223 by 8. So this is the remainder. Exercise 2.3 second question. Find the remainder when x cube minus px square plus 6x minus p is divided by x minus p. First I am writing the polynomial p of x equal to x cube minus px square plus 6x minus p divided with x minus p. X minus p, I am taking this polynomial instead of p something f of x because already it is p. To avoid confusion I am taking f. So x minus p we are dividing. So make x minus p equal to 0, x equal to p. Instead of x I am replacing p. F of p equal to p power 3 minus p into p power 2 plus 6 into p minus p. P cube p into p square p cube plus 6p minus p. P cube cancel, 6p minus p equal to 5p. So therefore remainder equal to 5p. So second question, the polynomial is divided by x minus p, then the remainder is 5p. Next, third question, find the remainder when 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is divided by 2x minus 3. Does it exactly divide the polynomial? State reason. First, given polynomial I am taking p of x equal to 2x square plus 2x square minus 3x plus 5. Dividing polynomial 2x minus 3. Make it equal to 0. 2x equal to 3 implies x equal to 3 by 2. So I want to substitute in this p of 3 by 2 equal to 2 of 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 into 3 by 2 plus 5. So 2 into 3 square 9, 2 square 4 minus 3 into 3 9 by 2 plus 5. So 2 into 1 2 into 2 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2 plus 5. 9 by 2 cancel, we are getting 5. So the remainder equal to remainder equal to 5. So a number, when we are dividing something, a polynomial with another polynomial, if the remainder is equal to 0, then only it is factor. If remainder not equal to 0, then it is not a factor. So here, which is exactly divide the polynomial, remainder exists other than 0, so it won't be divided. So 2x minus 3 won't divide exactly. Next, fourth question. Find the remainder when polynomial p of x equal to, I am taking 9x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 5. So we are dividing this polynomial with x minus 2 by 3. Dividing with x minus 2 by 3. So we need to find out the remainder. So x minus 2 by 3 equal to 0. X equal to 2 by 3. We substitute 2 by 3. P of 2 by 3 equal to 9 of 2 by 3 whole cube minus 3 into 2 by 3 whole square plus 2 by 3 minus 5. So 9 into 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2. How much? 8. 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3, 9 into 3, 27 minus 3 into 2 square, 2 into 2, 4, 3 square, 3 into 3, 9 plus 2 by 3 minus 5. So 9 into 1, 9 into 3, 3 into 1, 3 into 3. So 8 by 3 minus 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3, 8 by 3 minus 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3 minus 5. So denominators 3, 8 minus 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 minus 5. 6 by 3 equal to 2, minus 5 equal to minus 3. Therefore remainder equal to minus 3. Next question. Question number 5. If the polynomials 2x cube plus ax square plus 3x minus 5 and x cube plus x square minus 4x plus a leave the same remainder when divided by x minus 2, find the value of a. So here two polynomials, one is p of x I am taking, another one q of x. P of x equal to 2x cube plus ax square plus 3x minus 5. Next, q of x equal to x cube plus x square minus 4x plus a. So these two polynomials are divided with x minus 2. Divide with x minus 2. Then the remainder are equal. We need to find out a. If these are divided with x minus 2, make x minus 2 equal to 0. We are getting x equal to 2. If we are substituting 2 in this polynomial will give the same remainder. Means p of 2 equal to q of 2. First we find p of 2. 2 of 2 cube plus a into 2 square plus 3 into 2 minus 5. 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2, 8 into 2, 16. Next 2 square, 4a, 2 into 3, 6 minus 5, 4a. 16 plus 6, 22 minus 5, 17. So this is p of 2. Next q of 2. Q of 2 equal to, in this I am substituting 2 cube plus 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus c. So 2 cube 8 plus 4 minus 8 plus a 8 cancel, a plus 4. So reminders equal. So if the reminders are equal, 4a plus 17 equal to a plus 4. 4a minus a equal to 4 minus 17. 4a minus a equal to 3a. 4 minus 17 minus 13. A equal to, bringing 3 outside, minus 13 by 3. So this is the value of a. So if these two polynomials are divided by x minus 2, if gives same remainder, then the value of a equal to minus 13 by 3.